name is Dr. Ifeyinwa Celestina Ezeke. I'm the founder of Glory Queen of the Rosary Hospital, Naturopathy and Osteopathy Limited, number 18 Chibuzo Close, Mebamu Okoko, by mechanic on Church Bus Stop, Lagos, Nigeria, West Africa. Today, we are privileged to present to you these plants. This is a Cinchona bags. Cinchona bags, Cinchona roots. That's what we are going to talk about today. Cinchona bags, Cinchona roots, they originated from Africa. And the Yoruba name is Awokpan, while the Igbo name is Ogweba. Now, we're going to talk about it in respect of some ailments like malaria fever. It has been very effective for the treatment and management of malaria here in this part of the universe, Lagos, Nigeria. And this Cinchona is very effective not only for malaria fever, but for problems like bronchial testimonies, problems like palpitation, weak heart, weak palpitation, and problems of the cardiac region. In fact, it's very good for anemia also because it contains high concentration of iron. And looking at it very well, you will see that most plants that have this yellow color, they are very good for anemia. Now, the Cinchona bark, Cinchona leaf, Cinchona roots are very, very effective in so many other cases. Problems like gallbladder stone, problems like COVID-19, which we are doing a lot of research because most of the drugs that respond to the treatment of malaria are also good for COVID-19. And so most of our brothers in Nigeria, Africa, and diaspora, they have been ordering for these very plants from this part of Africa because it's mainly a big giant tree that grows here in Africa. It grows in Africa because of our climate, our hot climate. And if you want to look for it, this is Awokpan. In Lagos, just say you need Awokpan. That is a Cinchona plant, Cinchona barks, Cinchona roots. And if you want to use it as medicine, you just wash properly. Put a little bit of the root or the bark into a flask. You pour hot water, and it will change the color of the water. And when it changes, that means it turns to yellow, and you drink. Just half glass morning, half glass evening. Not only that, there are lots and lots of things that this medicine used to do, and you will enjoy it when you start to make use of it. Apart from working on palpitation, malaria fever, reducing high temperature, and working on cough, serious cough or cardiac problems that could generate palpitation, that could generate heartbeat, strange heartbeat. This Cinchona, quina plant, Cinchona, quina plant, that's it for you. It's very effective for the treatment and management of malaria fever. Go for your own now, don't wait. And when you experiment on it and see how effective it is, wherever you are, you can book for your own online. As far as Africa is concerned, we have a lot to offer the world. We have a lot to offer people in this part of the universe because most of our herbs are very potent. Africa needs to look very, 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 very well onto what belongs to them, because the beginning of wisdom is by discovering yourself, knowing yourself, and going back to yourself. If you can be able to identify the things God created for you, which our ancestors have been using, and then pass it to our own generation, if you begin to identify them and know how useful they are and upgrade them, you will see that there will be a new lease of health all over the world. You may be surprised that these very herbs are being used in different countries. Just call it Awokpan. or call it cinchona bark, or call it quina bark, or quina trunk, or quina root. It's very good for you. Well, we draw the curtain for today. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Glory Queen of Rosary videos. We put a smile on your face. Have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.